Welcome to Arman Farmer's Kitchen! My name is Riese.
My name is Summer.
Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel.
And give our video a big like!
Today we will cook grilled sinigang na liempo.
It's easy, it's yummy, it's juicy. But first, wash your hands, make sure they're clean.
The ingredients are
Salt, soy sauce, and pepper.
and garlic powder, sinigang mix, and our liempo. Now let's cook. First, let's add the garlic powder, sinigang mix, a little bit of salt, some pepper, some soy sauce. And now mix. Now let's put our pork liempo. Remember, you don't have to marinate this for a long time.
Now we're ready to grill.
Let's put these one at a time. Enough?
After 5 to 10 minutes, we're ready to flip. Ate, quickly, I'm getting hungry.
We're almost done. After another 10 minutes, our grilled sinigang na liempo is cooked.
One,
Our grilled